Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
The Musca-Stick is a glue-based fly trap. This fly trap is an effective and simple product that is safe to use in areas where poisons or other pest control products are prohibited, as it has no chemicals or vapors. The Musca-Stick is effective at controlling many different species of flies, but we recommend it for controlling house flies. The Musca-Stick is effective and simple to use, and it has a powerful glue. It should not be used in areas where animals like hummingbirds or bats could get stuck to the stick. It's safe to use around children and pets, but should still be kept out of reach, as they could get stuck to the glue. If this concerns you, check out Pyrid and Novicide aerosol. Pyrid is a contact spray, so it kills the flies in the areas quickly. Novicide can be broadcast sprayed around your home, and it has an insect growth regulator in the formula. This means it will not only kill the adults that come into contact with it, but it also prevents younger pests from maturing. Setting up the Musca-Stick is simple. Remove the stick from the box, and the glue is already applied to the orange paper, so be careful not to touch it. You can keep the box for easy disposal later on. Open the included pack of attractant granules and sprinkle it over the length of the trap or in the tray at the bottom of the stick. Pull up the hook from the top of the stick and it's ready to hang. You can hang the Musca-Stick anywhere around your home, but it's most effective when placed in areas with the most pest activity. The Musca-Stick can be used outdoors, but remember to hang it in areas where birds and other animals will not get caught on it, such as inside your garage. These glue sticks are safe to use around pets, as there's no poisons or chemicals added to the glue, but the glue is strong, so it's still necessary to keep it out of reach of your children and pets. The Musca-Stick requires no maintenance and the glue will not dry out, but they can be less effective if a lot of dust or dirt gets stuck to them. When 80% of the surface of the stick is covered, remove the stick and dispose of it. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate and an aerosol insecticide for complete control. For each type of insect, we've come up with the treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.